We want to solve these simultaneous equations, which means we want to find values of x and y that satisfy both equations. We have different numbers of x's and y's, and we can change this by multiplying equation 1 by 5, giving us 25x plus 15y is equal to 205, and multiplying equation 2 by 3, which gives us 6x plus 15y is equal to 129. We now have the same number of y's, and the signs are the same. If the signs are the same, we subtract our equations. Therefore, we get 19x, the y's disappear, and 205 take away 129 gives us 76. Divide both sides by 19, then x is 4. Substitute back into one of the original equations. We get 5 times 4 plus 3y is equal to 41. So 20 plus 3y is equal to 41. Subtracting 20 from both sides gives 3y is equal to 21, and dividing by 3 gives y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7. We should check these in our original equations. 5 times 4 plus 3 times 7 is 20 plus 21, which is 41. And 2 lots of 4 plus 5 lots of 7 is 8 plus 35, which is 43.